Alright, time to get in my car and let's go. Wait a minute. Do you see that, guys? Whoa, that's a lot of dust! What are we gonna do? Oh no, I don't know what to do. Wait, I remember. Here it is. Pulidiki's Universal Dust Cleaning Gel. This product is specially made to effectively clean and refresh your car's interior, removing dust and dirt with ease. I also decided to try this product because for years now I've seen this product floating around on the internet. A lot of people said, oh, it's good, it's good. So, you know, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. Is it really good? Here are the instructions listed on the back of the product. Make sure you use these to use the product correctly. Alright, while taking the product out of the package, I realized it has quite a good consistency. It's not too sticky, it's not like hard to get out, just, you know, it works good to get out of the package. I didn't tell you how the product works actually, yeah though. So then, we did what the instructions told you. I kneaded it with my hands and then I pressed it down carefully and then took it right back up, and I did that probably like 1,000 more times. I'm kidding, probably like 50. And then there's the final reveal. It didn't leave behind a residue on this type of car surface. So now let's move to this. Then I gently placed it on the screen and gently picked it up. And you could see it left behind a lot of residue, which I do not like at all. So I do not recommend using it on your screen. So then I tried it in the cup holders and it didn't work too bad, I'd say, but it did leave behind some crumbs still, so I don't think I would really recommend that for the future. Now let's give it the final test on the seat. So as I worked through on the seat, I realized that it did pick up some crumbs, but honestly, it was pretty hard to work through, and it was more of getting a hand workout in than actually the crumbs being picked up from the seat. So I don't really recommend this product unless you want to take 5 hours cleaning your car. Instead, you can honestly just grab a rag and some cleaning products like spraying type. But that's all for today. This is kind of a funny product, so if you wanted to get that as a gift for someone, you sure could.